Today I'm gonna share with you all how to loosen up kitchen faucet. Like over the year it's frozen and it's tight, you cannot open it, no matter what I try. So as you can see, there's a screw right around there at the nearby the handle, and there's another screw, and the bottom one, the screw all around. And what we're going to use in is we're going to use 3-in-1 oil. As you can see, that is the 3-in-1 oil. Very powerful, and it works like a charm. And you just dip it around the screw right there, as you can see. And then you go to the middle one. Then you go to the bottom one. Make sure you go all around. And you let it 30 or 1 or 2 minutes, let it soak in. Sometimes it takes longer, it depends. And then you try to loosen it up a little bit to break in whatever is built up inside there. Don't go too hard though. Because this one, when it just happened, I take care of it right away. Because the longer you wait, the harder it's gonna be. And try to move back and forth. And then when you feel it a little bit loose, and then you can go all the way slowly. And you can move left to the right, right to the left, all the way, but don't go too hard. Let the oil work inside the unit. Now you can see it's easily move around, even with one finger. And I hope this video will helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye.